Our project is Makey Makey.
What is Makey Makey? It is an electronic invention tool and toy that allows users to connect everyday objects to computer programs.
SMART goal: to learn and understand how to use Makey Makey. Also how to include the app to real-life objects.
Our challenge: we want to use a set of sticky notes that replaces the down, up, left, right, and space keys to play the piano.
Problems we faced. Our project had a malfunction. The Makey Makey motherboard wasn't cooperating with the different items we tried to use. Items such as Play-Doh and paper. So we couldn't use the application.
Out of classroom connections. Makey Makey can be used anywhere you want to use it. You can use it at home or wherever you have a computer or laptop.
The end.